Good afternoon, everyone. We are at the Pelwecki job. They elected to go with the pavers, same style as the office, which is 4 different colors, all blended into one. Some people like this, some people don't. This is Cappuccino, Sand Dune, Glacier, and Sierra, all mixed into one, not seconds. First quality pavers. Notice, once again, always our signature 6x9 border as a standard, unless the customer wants just a random border. As you can see, we did overlay over the patio area. We came around to a nice little circle area. We're going to the manufacturer to get the fire pit now. We'll be back to install that this afternoon. So just giving you a quick overview of another job that took 2 days. This was about 600 square feet. Took a little bit longer because you got to blend, mix all the colors together. So I do like it. I must say, it is different. I like it. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.